right, we are here with Ron and Brenda Rutherford.
This is our oldest, well, our second oldest son, Brody. My wife, Brenda. This is Giovanni, and Angel, and Alex, and Brenda, and our baby Ellie.
So we're about to take a walk down the old carriage path.
Oh, really? Never seen it, yeah. Wow.
You guys always been farm folks?
No.
You guys have a beautiful place here. How'd you get here?
We grew up in a much smaller house, a much smaller property. So far, we love it. We've been doing this a little over a year. I really thought that there were certain aspects of our old home that we would miss. And at least so far, I don't. I really do love this up here. That's me. Of course, everybody's different.
Sure.
Do your homework, do your research. It's a great lifestyle. It's very rewarding, especially this time of year when you're harvesting and you're getting the eggs and you're getting the fruits and the vegetables and you're making a salad right out of your own garden and that kind of thing. I mean, I love that.
All right, we're gonna go get eggs. And this is my buddy, and he's gonna show me what they do.
They come and wait until they poop out the egg.
They poop them out?
Yes. Hey, wait. Ooh, there we go. They're like this. Ooh. First, it starts out like a chick. The yolk is the chick. And then it starts getting bigger and bigger when it's hatched.
Oh, okay. So did you guys get all the eggs?
Yep. Yeah.
All right.
1, 2,
How many we get?
3, 4, 9.
So you guys have adopted all your children?
Or no, just 5 out of
5?
7.
Okay. So tell us a story about the adoption.
We're very strong in our pro-life attitude, and my wife, for a very long time, was out at Planned Parenthood and at some of these other abortion mills, talking to the women that were going in and just explaining to them that there are other options. One of the women that she talked to was pregnant and was going in for an abortion, and my wife, said, "We'll help you." And this is going to be hard.
Yeah.
And I gotta stop.
It's all right.
And so we did. We helped them for a few years with furniture and with clothing and with food and all that kinds of stuff. And they just didn't want to get it together. They had no urge to try to improve their own life. And eventually, unfortunately, the state of Connecticut decided that the children just weren't in a good place there.
Now, which one was it that you originally helped with the first?
Alex.
My mom cuts my hair so it can be short and thick. Because when it grows, it gets so long, it looks like my hair's going to pop off.
So Alex is here
Yeah.
because you guys were there.
So the day that you met his mom, she was going in for an abortion. How far along was she?
She just found out she was pregnant. She was very early on.
Okay.
I was able to bring her to all of Alex's, all of her prenatal appointments.
Okay.
And I was there when Alex was born.
Awesome.
That's amazing because you guys built a relationship where she trusts you guys and saw you are already giving care and loving her and loving the kids, so she trusts you guys.
It's crazy that fateful day when she was down there, when she was talking to their biological mothers, she had no idea that some 4 years later that was gonna be our son.
I just want to hug you guys. Thank you for doing that. You're so awesome. Good job, guys.
Spider webs, look out!
And then
Someone started building a house back here,
they stopped.
and then they stopped.
I just thought it was neat when he built it. He brought a mill out here, and they
Wow.
just cut trees down, and he just started milling his own wood.
Wow.
And his intention was to build the house by cutting down trees, milling his own wood, and
Oh, I can see part of
building
it
a
from
house
here.
out of it.
Where are you going?
Wow.
You can see when he built this, he wasn't playing games.
Oh my gosh.
The rafters are like 4x6s. And he's got all this.
Yeah, like on 12-inch centers.
Yeah, yeah. All right, so I've gotten down to bringing the lumber mill. Let's see what we can make out of it, you know.
This is all hand-milled lumber, and there's still big beams here. He actually brought his own mill out here and milled this lumber, and now it's just, here it sits.
And she has watched many of our videos and has requested that we make cinnamon rolls today. So we're going to. And are you going to help?
Yes.
And Jess's daughter, she's somewhere around here running around with Arwen, and she's going to help make cinnamon rolls too. Are you going to help?
Yes.
And Brody's going to help us make the goo for the cinnamon rolls today. If you haven't seen making sourdough cinnamon rolls yet, stop this video. You want the recipe, go back to our other vlogs that is titled Making Sourdough Cinnamon Rolls with moi. So it's all in the pan, and we pretty much just put it in the oven, let it rise without the heat on. So we'll just turn on the light in the oven and then let it rise.
So Isaiah and I are about to get on this amazing off-road machine, and we're gonna go ripping down a trail. So this should be fun.
Funny. Here.
Mom said we need a hat.
Hole in there.
Well, you and Frankie.
If you guys want tea, you can throw water on too if you guys want tea.
You're done.
There you go.
Thank you.
Good?
Yeah.
Where is he?
Yeah. Pick it up.
It's like an hour of work.